Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to your Ledger Flex wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your assets in a hardware wallet or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Robinhood account with your crypto holdings, a Ledger Flex device that's already initialized, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Security is key here, so double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if you're moving Bitcoin, tap on it to open the details page. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. It's usually right there under the asset info. Step 2. Choose the withdrawal method. Select Crypto Withdrawal, and then pick the network you want to use. In 2025, Ledger Flex supports major networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum, so match it to your asset. This ensures your transfer goes smoothly without any extra fees. Step 3. Get your Ledger Flex wallet address. Open the Ledger Live app. Connect your device, and go to the Accounts section. Select the account for the crypto you're transferring, then copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always verify the address on your physical Ledger screen to avoid any scams. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste that wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processed. Finally, Step 5. Head back to Ledger Live and check your account balance. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the transfer to show up, depending on the network congestion. Once it's there, celebrate, you've successfully moved your crypto to a safer spot. There you have it, folks. Transferring from Robinhood to Ledger Flex in 2025 is easier than ever, but always prioritize security. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.